we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) says the recommended refrigerator temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The ideal freezer temp is below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the ideal refrigerator temperature is actually lower. Aim to stay between 35 degrees and 38 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.7 to 3.3 degrees Celsius.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.